Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna play Naval Warfare today, and we're gonna show you all the vehicles in game. So let's start in Island B. So the first is the aircraft. So I'm gonna start with the bomber. So the bomber, he has 100 health, the 300 machine gun shells, 1 bomb, and 100 fuels. And this thing only shoots. It shoots at the. It only shoots at the front. It only has 1 bomb down there. Let's try using it against the opponents right here. Sounds like one. Let me shoot this guy first. Meow. Whoa. Meow. Oh no, I'm running out of fuel. Boom. I'm just gonna bomb it over, go straight to the plan. Yeah. Boom. I'm gonna kamikaze bomb later. I need to finish my ammunition, thank you. And go. Ouch. Yo, we got Island A. Might be winning this, guys. But anyways, spawned in the torpedo bomber. Yeah. Alright. So this thing has also the same stats, but except it uses a torpedo, which can destroy these ships. Like, watch this. Bam! Bam! Yeah, I think it does a lot of damage. Yeah. But anyways, let's move on to the next round, which is the large bomber. This is my favorite. What the? Bro just left. Anyways, the large bomber, I forgot his name. I don't know. This thing has 300 animation, 300 health, and 3 bombs, and the same fuel, 100 fuel, and it has 2 shooting areas, which is this thing. This is on the 2 propellers, and it also has 2 seats. One is on the back for shooting stuff in the back. I don't know. Anyways, we could just fly to Island B, so we could just go straight to that harbor over there. Oh no, they're launching a strike. We might not be safe, guys. You see that? You see those people? Yeah, that's alright. We got backup right over here. What the? Where is bro going? Yo, help destroy our... Oh no. Please. Oh, this one. No. Oh, never mind. I already caught it. Yeah. Going full aim. Yeah. Brr, brr. Yeah. Oh no, no. You're being attacked. No. Yes. Yes. Kill that guy again. From the top. From the top. Boom. Oh. Oh no. Oh. Oh my god. Alright, so this is the destroyer. It only costs 4 coins. It's kind of cheap. It's a, oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm being attacked. Why is my tree on fire? Oh no, oh no. I need help. I need help. I'm being destroyed. No, 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 no. This thing is good as health, bro. I don't like it. Oh, the most mid. Like it's not even worth the price. Anyways, let's move on to the next. What the? Did we lose Island B? Bruh. We just lost Island B. Anyways, let me move on to the next goal. The cruiser. This thing is a lot more bigger and it's got the rocket back there. Yeah. It increases the price. Because you got that little rocket right there. The torpedo, I think. Oh. Let me shoot that. Yes, are we winning this? Yeah, I think we're winning. Yeah, I think we might be winning, guys. Wait, let me change gun. No, never mind. Anyways. Invade the harbor, guys. Oh no, oh no. No, 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 no. Who the hell teach these Americans to kamikaze like? Oh no. I'm this dumb, bro. I forgot about this. Come on, come on. Bro, I'm lit, bro. I'm on fire. Oh. Yes. Oh no. They're about, guys. They're about. No. Why are they bombing me? Like, dang. Yeah. I'm being attacked. No. Yes, yes. Ah. 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 Time for the next one, which is in the harbor for some reason, and it's the submarine. For no reason, it's really far away to spawn. Anyways, let's just get in this thing real quick. Oh. It's kind of fast. I don't know why. Yeah, that torpedo is kind of fast. Yo, the Americans are already losing. It's fine. Yeah, we won. Not even. Getting attacked. Who the hell is that driver? Let's see. Yo, I attacked. They're heavier. Oh, is that a torpedo? Yo, I know it's that. That's a torpedo. Oh no! Oh guys. They know how to attack the submarine. Beep, beep. 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 The trolley one, yeah. Oh no. The flames is visible. No. No, I don't want to see that one coming. I also, oh, my device memory is low. I know I'm gonna crash sometime. Keep playing. I don't. Enemy spotted. Oh, you really thought you could run, huh? Kill him! I really got him. Oh no, I'm dying, no. Alright, heavy cruiser. Come on. Follow me. Alright, this is a heavy cruiser. It's a large one. Alright, we need to get it. No. There's a literal submarine down there. Oh my god, there's 2 submarines. Oh my god. Oh no. This doesn't look good. Oh, I forgot it. It's 2 large turrets for this one. I suck at aiming this thing. Whoa! That damages! Yo, this is so OP, guys. What is that other guy doing? Oh no. Oh no, I'm being bombed. Hello, little fellow right there. No! Change gun! Artillery! Oh no! We might have lost, guys. We might have lost. What? Oh no! More planes incoming! No! What are we doing? No! Which gun, guys? I need help. Yes! Oh! I'm not ready for this stuff.